Hey, this is Evan Harlow with Coldwell Banker Island Properties on Maui, and today I'm going to give a little virtual tour of the Palms at Wailea in Wailea, one of Wailea's best short-term rentable condo complexes. And just to make it a little easier for someone searching for a condo there or just wanting to get more information, even if they're just going to stay there, I'm going to go to my website and give you a broad overview of everything going on there and everything you need to know about that complex and kind of where the best units are, what's on the market, which is very little, but we'll go on over there and take a look. Okay, so here we are at the Palms at Wailea, 3200 Wailea Ala Nui Drive. Palms are one of the first condo complexes that you come to when you enter Wailea, and I've got kind of the big map of Wailea here so you can really see where it's located compared to the other complexes. South Kihei Road turning into Wailea Ala Nui here, and right here we've got the Palms, and then its sister property, the Wailea Palms, which is not short-term rentable. The Palms at Wailea are short-term rentable, making them more desirable as an investment property, and the Wailea Palms are more desirable for a second home or primary residence. The neighborhood across from the Palms is Wailea Kealoha, and then over here we have Wailea Kai in front, and then down here these are the really big luxury homes right on Keawakapu Beach. Over here we have Wailea Akahi on the grounds there. But back to the Palms of Wailea, you see it's a really nice spread out complex. There's a lot of green space. You've got all these nice landscaping and well-maintained grounds there. So here we are on the page for the Palms. This is on my website. This is where you can check out all the new listings and get more information about the complex. And most of these are rented out really heavily. They get 80 to 90% and up in occupancy rates, which has made them very popular as investment condos. Investors see a really nice return on these, and then they come and stay for a couple weeks here and there throughout the year. But it's a great location, walk down to the beach and enjoy everything Wailea has there. So right now at the Palms, it's very limited. This year we've had, I think 10 or 11 sales, maybe 12 sales all year so far, which is kind of average. There's quite a few units in there, but right now it's very low inventory. This unit here, 501, that went into contract a few weeks back, and it was a 2-bedroom unit. It's a good example of a nice ground floor unit, though. You can see it still has the original carpets, but it has the nice outdoor living space that the ground floor units all have, and you can barbecue out there. This feature is kind of unique to the Palms. Most of the kitchens that haven't been fully remodeled still have this pole in there. This one has more of an original bathroom. You'll see some newer units that have been updated that might be a little bit more appealing there, but it's a good idea of the complex. That unit's under contract. The last couple of 2-bedroom sales have been above 155. They were both closed at 1575. And the unit that's currently for sale is another 2-bedroom upstairs unit. Does need a little bit of work. It's got some original features. Not many people are into carpet anymore. The kitchen still has the pole and none of this fluorescent lighting over the kitchen. Styles have changed since these were built, but all the units have this really nice floor plan in the living room into the kitchen. It just kind of feels big and spacious in there, and then it goes out to the lanai. And then, yeah, kind of just overview the property. You've got a big pool in the center, amenity center. And when we go down and kind of look at the map, you can see how the units are spread around. You've got the center of the complex. So these units are definitely the most highly desired here in the interior. Those will go for a little bit more, and they sell a little bit less frequently. Got an extra row of units down here. Now, some do get an ocean view, but it's not a complex known for having a lot of ocean views, which is represented in the price point. As you start to have units with ocean views, you really start to get into the 2.5, 3, or 2 million range at Wailea, Akahi. There's more ocean view units over there. But all the floor plans at the Palms of Wailea are 1 bedroom, and then there's also 2 bedroom floor plans. They pretty much have that similar layout there with the big open living area going to the kitchen, going out to the lanai. And you said the ground floor units have that outdoor living space on the ground floor, and then upstairs you have a nice big lanai as well. And so that's pretty much the broad overview of the Palms at Wailea. It's a great complex for a lot of reasons. It appeals to a lot of different buyers. The price point is appealing. Getting a 2-bedroom condo that is short-term rentable in Wailea for $1.5 million is a big plus. You start looking into Wailea Akahi over here, and we've got 1 bedrooms that have a little ocean view, but those start in the 2 million range now. So if we go look at Akahi for a second, there's 2 listings that are active there right now. This unit here, 29F, does have a really nice ocean view. But yeah, obviously on the price point, if you're looking to stay in the 1.5 million range, Palms at Wailea is a great value. And you get to have your own little slice of Maui and make some money while you're doing it. And that's the real value beyond the enjoyment of purchasing property in Wailea, short-term rentable property. That's pretty much the overview there. If you have any specific questions about the Palms, or you'd like to learn more about the complex, you can always reach out to me. I've got the link to this page on my website down in the description below, and you can go check it out for yourself. It's got a lot of links to the other subdivisions. If you're not looking for a condo, I've got all the residential subdivisions. If you're looking for a different condo, I've got all the complexes on here, and you can navigate to those pages as well. Or if you want, just give me a call. My number is 808-214-4799, or send me an email, evan@mauieliteproperty.com, and I get back to everyone really quickly. Always happy to answer any questions you might have. So hope you have a wonderful day, and aloha.